How to permanently delete Viber account on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete Viber account on your mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Viber app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from there, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option label settings. And once you do that, in the settings section, tap on the account option. And from there, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see the option labeled deactivate account. Now, it's important to note that deactivating your Viber account will permanently delete it across all your devices, including desktop and tablets. This action will also erase all your profile information and contact list. It deletes all your calls and chat history, and it can even remove you from any groups, communities, and channels that you were part of. And to proceed, you simply need to tap on deactivate account button, and once you do that, on the next page, you have to enter phone number associated with your Viber account in the text box provided and make sure it matches the number currently in the use of Viber. And once you have entered the phone number, simply tap on deactivate account at the bottom right corner of the screen and confirm your action by selecting deactivate in the pop-up window. And that's it. By doing this, your Viber account will be deactivated and permanently deleted from your device. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.